Hi gainer, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use this balance price range or the BPR as our trade entry. So before we go to that, so what is a balance price range or this BPR? So a BPR is when two FVGs or imbalances overlaps each other. That is just the simple meaning of the BPR. Okay, so let's have a comparison here. So looking at this series of candles on the left, we have our typical FBG. And looking at this second example of a series of candles, we have here our first FBG and this second FBG here. So we can see an overlapping of FBG. So this is what we call the balance price range. So how we can use this as our entry? So we will be using the smaller FVG, okay, as our trade entry. So for a bullish structure, we can place our entry around this area and our stop loss just below this one. And our entry is that we will look for our take profit area later on. Okay, so let's go ahead and see an example. So looking at this example here at our Euro USD at a 15-minute time frame. So during Asia session, we have here our liquidity sweep. And then on the London session, we have here our market structure shift happen. So I plotted here also this supply zone, 15-minute supply zone. As we can see here, this is a base drop structure. And we can see here this inducement happen here. So this is an inducement. So where we can place our entry? We can see here, we have here our balance price range or the BPR. Okay, so we will be expecting that during New York session, we can get this entry. So I will place my entry here and stop loss just below this area, or we can just have our stop loss at just 10 pips and our target is at 440 pips. So as we can see here, it just exact our supply zone. So let's see what will happen. By the way, this trade I took yesterday and it earned me this 1:4 risk reward ratio. Let's see what will happen to the market. Okay, we have an entry hit here. We can see here we have a nice rejection on this balance price range. Okay, guys, you can see here we have gained 1:4 risk reward ratio. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Hope you've learned again from me, and hope you've learned again from me, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And see you on the next video.